Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to replace a text with a pop-up note comments. Open your PDF file and click on this comment option, and here you will find this replacement text with pop-up note and click here. Now put your mouse cursor far in to replace your text, and now type your text you want to replace, and you can edit this text. You can change font size, you can change color, you can make it bold, italic, you can align, and click on this option. Here you can open all pop-ups and properties. You can make it transparent, you can change this box color, and so on. And see this pop-up notes comment now showing here, and double click here, and you can reopen it and edit it. Yeah, in this way you can add as many as replace text pop-up comment you can open and insert. And yeah, finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.